Three, Tiga Pebe, Sense Nangayola, want to Sopa Shigi, Sabshune, Samalola, Traditional De Pebala, Tuchena Shui. Trin de Logia, Cana, Marshogi, Logia, Franzogidella, Gakoviki, Tujen Stangiore. In a Maranzola de Tujen Kai Marisha, Tunin Grisha, Days and Dead Sama Zombadella, Yangazi, Puchena Shui, and those Sentinel Tatangis, Matus, Susan Epicomis of Rigoso, Letrin Dos and Anzuki, Dunzipai, Pegatoni. 당못들랑 먼저 별 계급 준비 계획 따야지. 근데 제수 계급도 미리 기사된지 랑르 고다 랑기 루소 론체다 제베 르탄게 계집바오 빠문남기 체동 까마치rin가 아니 양행 슈인 슈
Guten Abend, liebe Tibet-Freunde, Tibet-Supporter, liebe Familie und Freunde. Im Namen der 4 Tibet-Organisationen in der Schweiz möchte ich euch alle ganz herzlich begrüßen zu dieser Demonstration gegen das 100-jährige Jubiläum der Kommunistischen Partei China. Wir möchten uns gleichzeitig dafür bedanken, dass ihr so zahlreich erschienen seid, trotz der kurzfristigen Meldung dieser Demonstration. Der Ablauf dieser Demonstration sieht aus wie folgt. Wir werden gleich die tibetische Nationalhymne zusammen singen, gefolgt von einer Schweigeminute für all diejenigen Brüder und Schwestern in Tibet, welche ihr Leben und ihre Freiheit für unsere Sache geopfert haben. Si shi pende zhe ko chung wei de tu ten san be no bu nan ba ten de non zi kya che kyo wei ge che le ge ru zo ge do che kam su ten be cho ge jang ze kyung Nam de kawa kyanze uba kulare Punzo de shinga tange Punzo chuka sungi kula Degi zobe sabe kya Chusi ki pe yuda Tupen chojo ge pe zang li yang be ti Shi ki pe la jo Zhōng tēn zhē bian zhē nī wē hī Kā shī hū nā bùm tū chō wē sī Ngā zhō mōn bē yun dē kē kyō chē Pē kē lō! Pē kē lō! Pē kē lō!
Kichela Tsukamachiringa Yange Chuni. Tochena. Dijela. Swiss der Liechtenstein Pyrimima Sozone Zego Uzu Gesumshanai.
Als erstes hören wir eine Ansprache der Präsidentin der tibetischen Gemeinschaft Schweiz-Liechtenstein, Frau Gamachugila.
Konsekyamge chumuchola kujagwando tangne ante tuzum la pebeki komo kinshe yongla Swiss Liechtenstein Pyrimima jigsune an samji shuyo ta tarite gongdo konatsugi sungbana shire kyana mabu shung jigsu sene mitu kyana konde tangi sokwati chani ani lo gyagi kaga totu ki tone ani tanda pena nganzu pyoge kyasan hasa ine kenge sogi ani si yugre konatsugi bet tsepoda lagi dula ine ke ani lo gyagi bet tudengi ani chetar chimbutinde tangchine nganzu pönana yunge pumutsugi ningnala naza yoba kanshila di nasa tela matala ani chashoba na shichini chagoya ki dindechigi namba tunsha ta thanda te nyeki di te dukschine mangu si yugre ine thanda thesana chuwa di te dukschini shuchoba chi the Tangu di mi manguchi yama tangchili yang azale yang si josu di niwe di kubat.
Bette jemme kore tatki ale she thanjing dum nesta thu yumi. Betta na di shawar kan je chi cho hundu zeta. Jemi jara le chi kurisha.
Ta thandal hese nanglo la achala digi. Kamu di nangdu zane sok ben la chu chine nangyo. Taride nganzu choba shigi kyana kongde tanglo kya porvegi tudenti ki ngogo ki tone de tanda choba shi Swiss Liechtenstein Pyrimima jigsu sube zade choba Swiss pyme choba Swiss ki shunu nganzu shigi tuzu dundu jinala dus shinu kuti shuba di tuzu la choba shenda sungi nganzu mima nyamdo la nyamru ki tone ani chale ngune tuzu dundu dala gyumre themba chi nangsu di de shinki ani mima thoi ne ke tuzu dundu dala nganzu semsak chung di tuzu dundu dala mima thari sambale thaga pesha mima thole tuzu che shugi yi phe nangla nganzu kanye dinde chik yoba di nganzu namya jegyo yomare shunde tuchi dangi je yore samki me di phe nangne nesu manguchi chilo la thön thupki me du 직 내수 진에 소인에래 시기 개갑 기미마이네래 나란주 품이이네래 참래 변화를 품이기 먼저 디네 개갑 보야다 먼저 디네 남규된 보야디 파제 메르소라치기 소라디 메르사메디데 직 소소는 이네 초르기도 디치도 투지시 변하게 품이라 먼저 치개갑 라완 말라 땡게 디게디 오마이 고래 탄다이 고래 마왕의 고와 차이를 뒤수도 다리 내 팽에서는 투주체 슈루요디 대 대동톤의 싱에딘 주 페마도바디게 두수직 마저니 페마도바 이발라 삼개요디 이내 마왕의 투지시 nganzu dongza chikji tone tanda chopa shigi dongza chikji tone kudu shuyu miman chogi dongza chikji tone nganzu nyamdula gyabla langcheni ani nganzu ki namgyu tembe ki ngogo khande chi kudu shugu ne nyamchum nangro chi shuye yi pegelo 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 an deta nyamdo gyawru muche ani kuzi shabe temba da pyoge tenda sebe ki melam shuguyo tuje na 남규 미만 망부치기 ngatu soba changme di kamyo chikba chik ani kei manda da sungda des mata thone sungu yudi mima mangu chik des semnala sorgati chik matera chi yungu yudi en thari nganzu chopa shiki ani nyamrup thone ani ngaranchu sorba chik miksegi kana magu shungla ya pya thandala yudi nyegi ma chalo shuchoba chi an dikala Swiss nanglo la yine ke nganzu thanda yami shungza ki dun la kebe chidu tane ani nganzu la Mike dinzu pecho tangye ki choje kyu nendangi mindu di sudu ngaranzu Swiss nanglo shungye mima tsobe dikala gongba shegu udu karichini yami shungza dun la nganzu la Mike pecho tang chugu yo mare suya la de 예외 중에 가르쳐 정바 쪽이 내가 지금도 승부 열이디 만족이 하나 숭잡라 뭐뭐기 차리 표현이 이내게 남규이나 만족 표사지라고 열에 단다 디 표사 말아도 만족 당고 아포스네 당신이 다리 야나 숭잡라 저래 이미 심치니 저거 상매 소소송원에 표현에 다딩에 말로 마자로 쉬쳐버치 The 100th anniversary of the founding of the Communist Party of China. No reason to celebrate. On July 1, 100 years ago, the Chinese Communist Party was founded. Across the country, the party and the government are staging celebrations to mark an occasion that's in fact a history of serious human rights violations affecting everyone living under the rule of the Communist Party of China and Chinese state. Beginning with the proclamation of the People's Republic of China on October 1, 1949, people have had to experience arbitrariness, violence, and restrictions of their basic freedoms, which continues to this day. Within the Chinese heartland, more people lost their lives as a result of fatally flawed decisions by the leadership than in the entire Second World War. Only the so-called great leap forward with the failed forced industrialization and the following famines, as well as the chaos of the Cultural Revolution, should be mentioned here. For Tibet, the so-called peaceful liberation was announced immediately in 1949 after the proclamation of the People's Republic of China, which in fact represented the annexation of a hitherto de facto independent state. 70 years ago, in May 1951, Tibetan envoys were coerced under threats into signing the 17-point agreement. This agreement was supposed to grant Tibet internal, cultural, and religious autonomy, but was never seriously respected by the Chinese leadership. The disregard for this agreement, combined with the violent crackdown on the population by the invaders, culminated in the People's Uprising of March 1959, the suppression of which claimed numerous lives and forced Tibetans to flee into exile en masse. China conquered Tibet step by step, but never the hearts of the Tibetan people, who remain attached to their faith and leader, His Holiness the Dalai Lama. Neither economic development nor investment in infrastructure of which the party and the state boast can outweigh the human rights violations faced by the people of Tibet. Mass resettlement from the Chinese heartland worsened by the construction of the railroad line to Lhasa, the plundering of Tibetan resources, the regimentation and destruction of religious sites such as Harungar and Yachinkar, the forced relocation of nomads, the suppression of the Tibetan language and its forced removed from everyday life and teaching. The promotion of mass tourism marginalized the Tibetan people and threatened their genuine culture. The legitimate incarnation of the Panchen Gendunche Nyima, who was kidnapped as a young child along with his family and has disappeared without a trace for 26 years. These developments led to an uprising which in 2008 was cracked down just as violently as in 1959. The failed policy of change through trade, the completely ineffective human rights dialogue that has been going on for 20 years, and the awarding of the 2008 and 2022 Olympic Games have only encouraged China to step up attacks on the communities under its rules and neighboring states. The construction of a vast surveillance system in occupied Tibet and East Turkestan, the recent destruction of one country, two systems in Hong Kong, the destruction of Southern Mongolians' culture and language, the ongoing military intimidation and geopolitical harassment of Taiwan and other countries around the South China Sea, and the imprisonment, disappearance, and death of countless Chinese lawyers, feminists, democracy activists, and anyone else deemed a threat to the Communist Party. In Tibet, uprooted nomads and rural residents are interned in re-education camps and trained under military drill as cheap labor for the Chinese service sector. In East Turkestan, millions of Uyghurs and other Muslims are arbitrarily detained in military re-education camps where torture is widespread. The Chinese government is implementing a program of mass forced sterilization of Uyghur population. This has recently been branded as genocide by several countries. Before I read the last lines, I would like to emphasize that this has happened also in Tibet. In its World Press Freedom Index 2020, the Reporters Without Borders organizations ranks China 177th out of 180 countries in the world in terms of press freedom. China has the highest number of journalists imprisoned in the world. Freedom House ranked China as the country with the worst abuses of internet freedom in 2019 for the fourth year in a row. Tibet was listed as the second least free place in the world for civil and political rights after Syria 5 years in a row. We call on the Communist Party and government to resume the dialogue with the representatives of His Holiness the Dalai Lama without preconditions. We call on them to allow UN human rights mandate holders and experts to visit all regions of the country, especially detention facilities and camps, without any restrictions. And all repressive measures and practices against dissidents nationwide, especially in Tibet, in East Turkestan, and Southern Mongolia. We call upon to restore the legal status of Hong Kong in accordance with the agreement with the United Kingdom. It's signed by President of Tibetan Community in Switzerland and Liechtenstein, President of Swiss Tibet Friendship Association, President of Tibetan Women's Organization in Switzerland, and President of Tibetan Youth Association in Europe. Thank you.
Als nächstes werden wir Slogans skandieren. Tigila, bitte auf die Bühne. Falls ihr noch Zettel braucht mit den Slogans drauf, hier vorne hätten wir noch ein paar übrig.
Shame on CCP! Free Tibet! Free Tibet! Free Tibet! Tibet is burning! Tibet is burning! Tibet is burning! Long live! Long live! Long live! China lies! China lies! China lies! Tibet belongs you! Tibet belongs you! Tibet belongs you! 10 years of CCP! 100 years of CCP! 100 years of CCP! Shame on CCP! Shame on CCP! Shame on CCP! Free Tibet! Free Tibet! 100 years of CCP!
No human rights!
100 years of CCP!
No human rights!
China, China, China! China, China, China! China, China, China! Peggy Dogbo! Peggy Dogbo! Peggy Dogbo! Long live! Long live! Long live! China lies! China lies! China lies! Tibet belongs to you! Tibet belongs to you! Tibet belongs to you! 100 years of CCP! 100 years of CCP! Shame on CCP! Shame on CCP! Free Tibet! Free Tibet! Free Tibet! Tibet is burning! Tibet is burning! Tibet is burning! Release!
All political prisoners!
Release!
All political prisoners!
CCP!
Stop lying!
CCP!
Stop lying!
100 years of CCP! 100 years of CCP!
No human rights!
100 years of CCP!
No human rights!
China, China, China!
Out!
China, China, China! China, China, China! Peggy Dogbo! Peggy Dogbo!
Long live! Long live! Long live! Long live! China lies! China lies! China lies! 100 years of CCP! 100 years of CCP! 100 years of CCP! Shame on CCP! Shame on CCP! Shame on CCP! Free Tibet! Free Tibet! Free Tibet! Tibet is burning! Tibet is burning!
Als nächstes wird Herr Toni Ried eine Stellungnahme der Schweizer Parlamentarischen Gruppe für Tibet vortragen.
Wir sind in Kontakt mit dieser parlamentarischen Gruppe Tibet. Die parlamentarische Gruppe Tibet besteht aus 28 Nationalräten und Ständeräten in Bern. Zum Statement. In der Volksrepublik China herrscht eine einzige Partei über das chinesische Volk. Sie ist damit alleine verantwortlich für die Politik des Landes, gegenüber der eigenen Bevölkerung, aber auch gegenüber dem Ausland. Dieses kommunistische Einparteiensystem funktioniert in einer Art und Weise, die von unserem schweizerischen Demokratieverständnis sehr weit entfernt ist. Seit Jahrzehnten regiert die kommunistische Partei das Land und führte China international in den letzten 2 Jahren zu einer Macht mit dem Anspruch, globalen Einfluss auszuüben. Mit Verantwortung weltweit geltende Regeln einzuhalten, wie die universellen Menschenrechte zu gewährleisten, abgeschlossene Staatsverträge einzuhalten oder souveräne Nationen zu respektieren. Wir erwarten von den politisch Verantwortlichen der Volksrepublik China, dass sie die im Rahmen des Freihandelsabkommens Schweiz-China eingegangenen Vereinbarungen auch bezüglich Menschenrechten vollumfänglich einhält. Auch soll die Volksrepublik China den Aufforderungen des UN-Menschenrechtsrates endlich nachkommen und unabhängigen Experten sowie der UN-Menschenrechtskommissarin uneingeschränkten Zugang nach Tibet und Ostturkestan, Xinjiang, zu gewähren. Bezüglich Tibet fordern wir die Volksrepublik China auf, mit dem Dalai Lama oder seinen Vertreter und Vertreterinnen wieder in einen Dialog zu treten. Das tibetische Volk soll das Recht haben, seine eigene Kultur zu leben. Dazu ist der Schutz der eigenen Sprache und der religiösen Freiheiten fundamental. Der durch seine geografische Lage gegebene Einfluss Tibets auf das globale Klima muss durch einen rücksichtsvollen Umgang mit der sensitiven Umwelt und den Wasserressourcen respektiert werden. Gezeichnet ist dieses parlamentarische Statement von Nationalrat Nick Gucker, Nationalrat Fabio Molina, Nationalrat Nicolas Walder, Nationalrat Balthasar Blättli und dem Ständerat Matthias Zopfi. Besten Dank.
Den Marsch zum chinesischen Konsulat beginnen. Ich bitte alle Teilnehmenden hier in Zweierreihen auf sich aufzustellen.
Tibet belongs to 100 years of CCP. 100 years of CCP. 100 years of CCP. Shame on CCP. Shame on CCP. Shame on CCP. Free Tibet. Free Tibet. Free Tibet. Free Tibet. Free Tibet.
Let's go.
No,
Jews of CCP. China, China, China. China, China, China. China, China, China. China, China, China.
Make China accountable! Make China accountable! Make China accountable! Where are you, United Nations? Chinese government! Shame on you! Chinese government! Shame on you! Chinese government! No religious freedom! In Tibet! No religious freedom! In Tibet! No religious freedom! In Tibet! No human right! In Tibet! No human right! In Tibet! No human right! In Tibet! Shame on Chinese government! Shame! Shame! Shame on Chinese government! Shame! Shame! China violence! Thank you, China! Shame on China's government! Shame! Shame!
Tibet!
Thank you. Let the Dalai Lama! Let the Dalai Lama! Let the Dalai Lama! Tibet belongs to Tibetans! Tibet belongs to Tibetans! Tibet belongs to Tibetans! 100 years of discipline! 100 years of discipline! Tibet! In Tibet! In Tibet! Religious high! In Tibet! Religious high! In Tibet! Let the Dalai Lama return to Tibet! Let the Dalai Lama return to Tibet! Let the Dalai Lama return to Tibet! Coronavirus, let it China!
Tibet is burning!
China is burning!
Tibet is burning!
China is burning!
Release! Release!
Political prisoners!
Release! Release!
Political prisoners!
Release! Release!
Political prisoners!
CCP!
Stop lying!
CCP!
Stop lying!
CCP!
Stop lying!
100 years of CCP! No unity!
100
years of CCP!
Shame on CCP! Shame, shame! Shame on CCP! Shame, shame! Free Tibet! Free Tibet! Free Tibet! Free Tibet! Let the Dalai Lama! Return to Tibet! Let the Dalai Lama! Return to Tibet! Let the Dalai Lama! Return to Tibet! Tibet is burning! China is lying! Tibet is burning! China is lying! Tibet is burning! China is lying! Release! Release!
Political prisoners!
Release! Release! Political prisoners! Release! Release! CCP! CCP!
Stop lying!
CCP!
Stop lying!
China, China, China!
Out! Out! Out!
Tibet is burning! China is lying! Tibet is burning! China is lying! Release! 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 Political prisoners! Release! Release! Out! Out! Out!
China! China! China!
Out! Out! Out!
Peggy Bambo!
Peggy Yin!
Peggy Bambo!
Peggy Yin!
Peggy Bambo!
Peggy Yin!
Peggy Bambo!
Peggy Yin!
Bacha! Bacha!
Sensu Bacha!
Bacha! Bacha!
Sensu Bacha!
Bacha! Bacha!
Sensu Bacha! Dalai Lama! Dalai Lama! Dalai Lama!
Return to Tibet! Return to Tibet! Return to Tibet!
Katanzadi janang marsho shong la re marsho shong lo ja korwi ge tideng ge songsi nang ge inse gore da nga zu tangyo mrik kharto ge Sudan danda Xinjiang da mongbo zig la nga zu Taiwan dindi ge gerke mongbo zig la thupsu tang ge yobi ge thupsu tang ge namba zig re mar to wi gosu ge lo ja gore de ngozi ngone tang ge dukshek 당근에 다니가 할래야게 지금 날씨 tom이게 님모지 키요리 마르토게 가서 보바긴데 아 머릭 몸보지 그러고 지거린 데라 뭐 만ኞ라 마투니 뭐 몸보지 좀니 근데나 까베게 요아디 참민 킹고야디 키치모린 잠발라 삽쇼 강아지고 그 남바서 참이게 지데 요리 디디게 남바 참이게 갑쇼 단자디 가서 잔나라 단로치스 나조게 난고라 디디디야 용거리다 난고라 마르티와치니 단다 Janaka Naim the Jemiga, you are the Gichimo Chaka Yoreti, the number Samiga. Nazu Janala Katangoyati, Janaka Marsho, Tandangazu Dawu, Janala Katangoyati, Kichaku, Chakuri, Teran de la Tomati, Gangian, Josum, Namambo, Jim, they take a Tommy out of Shukjaka, the Kichaku, Chaku, Tirinda, Mazabita, Jaka Mombo, Nalazu, Kabajayori, Tin Nanjing, Gazu, Susula, Sanila, Dela, Mazuka, Tiri, Mamanola, Matu, and Kambajamni, Mazundela. Mombo Chigore, Mamala, numbers of Sami and Yamjuk Chiari, Dinala, Sami Chigoya, the Kichuna, Chakandu Sangundu, they take a Tanda, Janaka, Naim the Kemiga, Titsa Chunji Rai or Titsa, Mazuka, Tamzan Chigoya, the Kichuna, Chakandu Sandu, numbers of Sami, or numbers of Sami Shukja, the Kichimu Chakandu, or this year in Tuchena. Tandi Jana Susu Jana Johnson Della Yadu Yori, Jana Johnson Della Jana Johnson Della Yanga to Tamshi Chiari, Kajare, Tindi Linka Momboji, Perkayori, Yanaya, that Pantoko Sigri, Kaji Panmato Sigri, Pantomela Matu and its Hamig, Mazulika Chigueti, Mazbaripan Genji Chakandu Sandu, Mazo Say and Attack on Langayoati, Sama Chica Chidori Maron, Yata Big Mazukiri Chaikivaina, Samin Genchika the Chatori Sandu. This year in Tuchina.
Lies! Tibet belongs to! Tibet belongs to! Tibet belongs to! 100 years of CCP! 100 years of CCP! 100 years of CCP! Free Tibet! Free Tibet! Free Tibet! Free Tibet! Justice! Free justice! Long